Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. Oh, yeah. We got these pork country ribs, y'all. And we getting ready to rotisserie these bad boys. So, first thing we gotta do, you know we gotta rain on them. So, check it. We gonna use this Uncle Steve spicy, y'all. The spicy R. It's good and tasty too, y'all. I really like it. If you don't know about it, hey, y'all need to give it a try. Hit them up on UncleSteveShake.com, and he definitely gonna hook you up with some great seasoning. But anyway, let's go ahead and rain on this here country rib and get him all ready. Now, you gotta realize this is rub, so hey, we gonna put it on heavy, y'all. We gonna put it on heavy. And these are thick pieces of country rib too. But don't forget, y'all, give your boy that LSS, y'all. That LSS. Just that like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. So now we need to cut these in half so they will fit on our rotisserie. Now see, I got one of them old school rotisseries. Now this is that Showtime. I don't know if y'all remember this, but this one of them Showtime cookers. So let's go ahead and start putting our country ribs on. So all we gotta do is just stick them through both of these spikes and slide them on down, y'all. Now, everybody's rotisserie is gonna be different. If you do happen to have one of these, hey, you can just follow this step by step. So once we get all our country ribs on, we're gonna get the other side of our rotisserie on. Then we're gonna spread them out a little bit. And hey, they ready to go in that rotisserie now. So let's get them on in. Now this is my Showtime rotisserie. I think y'all remember it. It came out a few years ago. I've been using this thing. I done did chickens and turkeys. A little bit of everything in it for real. But you gotta have a real small turkey. You can't have no big. So let's slide these pork ribs on in. Close them up. Let's get them to working, y'all. Let's get them to working. Now, mine took, in this rotisserie here, I would say about 45 minutes. But you know, all cooking times are gonna vary. You know, because your meat might be a little bit thicker than mine or a little bit thinner. So that means it might need to come out quicker. Make sure you use your temperature probe to get your desired temperature on your pork. Now, my desired temperature is 145. Now, I know everybody is different. You know, you might feel like 145 ain't actually enough. But hey, I'm telling you, 145, you're gonna have some real good juicy pork, and oh my goodness, it's gonna taste good. But anyway, once it get done, this is what it look like. And don't that look tasty, y'all? Oh my goodness, let's slide this on off. Now this is what I like to do. I like to use the top part that I take off and make it slide the meat off. But look at that pork though, y'all. Don't it look good? You know it look good. Let's give it a taste. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.